We are still working with the families in selling them in places. Like many of them are still in the hotels, so it's hard we're trying to find the location that they will be helpful to them. So once we do that, then that's when we will be able to bring the help of that Bob is making possible,
Right.
and so that we can then get them beds or get them a living room or whatever they need, so that we can hopefully get them set. One of the things we're trying to do is we're also trying to see sometimes families help them a little bit because many of them do have families here. So we will be complementing whatever they don't have or whatever they're not able to get, which hopefully will help us reach more families and make a difference in more families through your generous donation. Thank you to Bob's Furniture for all that you do for the community, and especially with this gift that you're able to provide to the Salvation Army, so that we can help so many people in this area that have suffered from so many things because of the hurricanes in Puerto Rico and in the Caribbean, and we're glad that together we can partner to make a difference. Thank you very much, and thank you for your support.